Hey, it's your favorite sewing teacher, Miss Denisha with Sew Fun Jax. I hope you're having an amazing day. Well, I've got another quick tip for you when you're teaching little ones to learn how to hand sew and just to do the basic straight line, which we call a lot of times is a running stitch. Okay, so what we're going to do is print out your sewing exercises. Okay, and I love this because All Free Sewing has all of these cute little sheets where you can just print out and practice. Look at that. One of my students has already started stitching. Now, one thing that I do on here, we use the embroidery yarn, okay, to sew with instead of your regular sewing thread, because your regular sewing thread is a little thin. So just so that it can show up a little bigger on your paper, go ahead and use your embroidery thread, and it comes on those little tiny cards. And a lot of times, or sometimes they call it floss. You'll find it in the craft section in Walmart. You can find it Hobby Lobby as well as Joann's, and it's usually super cheap, under $1 for one. So until next time, keep sewing, keep on sewing, and keep sewing again. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more sewing videos and quick tips from Miss D. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a Sewtastic day.